I feel like a superwoman. Hey you guys, and welcome to today's video. I am super duper excited for today's video because we are going to get graphic. So we're gonna go in and do the graphic eyeliner trend. 3 looks that you could be using pretty much every single day, at night, at the office, at home. If you're just going to a cafe, something that spiced the normal, traditional black liner up. It is super simple. It takes like no time at all if you compare it to your normal blend, apply, blend, apply, blend, apply, blend, apply eyeshadow. So if you haven't subscribed, if you're new here, then make sure to do that now, and also give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more of these videos in the future. But without any further ado, let's get started. This is the first liner I did. I haven't put on mascara because I want to do it when the other side is finished as well. What you need for this look is you need a liner and you need a Q-tip. You just want to grab your liner and then you want to take your finger, because I always do this trick, otherwise I'm not going to be able to get it sharp. So you just want to take your finger and you want to start at the inner corner of your eye and then just drag the liner along your lash line. You just want to drag it upwards. And then you want to check yourself in the mirror and see if they're comparable. And then we come to the hard part, which is the part where you don't want to draw in your hood. You want to draw on top of your hood. If you have a hard time getting it the way you want it, move your mirror away or back away rather than having this close, because if you have your mirror this close, you're not going to get the whole perspective. Like right now I see that this one is a lot thicker than that one, which means that I want either to thin this out or to thicken that one up. And that's where I go in with my Q-tip. And then what I usually like to do is I like to let it dry and then fill it in one more time. So while I do that, I'm just gonna line my waterline. Now you just wanna go back in and you wanna just fill in the line again, because it's gonna get a lot more pigment. This is gonna take you like no time at all. You're just gonna draw a line, look in your mirror, look back, look in the mirror, look back, and then you'll be done. I'm telling you. And it looks super pretty, and I just think it's super cool. I just think everything is super about it. I feel like a superwoman. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna apply some mascara, and I'm gonna be using BADgal BANG from Benefit. And this is a travel size again, because I like travel size mascara because they don't run bad before you have to throw them out. Like seriously? Can you see how good that looks? That just looks gorgeous! Gorgeous! And here we have it, guys. We have our graphic liner number uno that is actually quite cool. And it is a little bit extra. It's not just your regular black liner. It is purple. It gives you a pop of color. So we're gonna go on and we're gonna jump right into our second look. I have washed off the look 1 and now I'm going in for look 2. For look 2, what we're gonna need is we're gonna need a liquid lipstick. If you don't have a liquid lipstick, a shadow works just fine. So I have decided on KYLIE matte liquid lipstick in the color Candy K. So it's an original. I don't think they have tested this on eyes, but I use liquid lipsticks at my eyes all the time like a liner, and it works fine for me. I'm just gonna be using a brush. I'm gonna draw a line at the top like this, and then I want to connect it with my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go down and I'm just gonna draw a straight line right here. And then I'm gonna fill it in. And then you want to keep your eyes closed for a little, just a couple of seconds for it to dry, because liquid lipsticks, they will crumble and they will crease if you don't just let them relax for a little bit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another brush, but I'm gonna be taking a smaller one. I'm just gonna go back in with the liquid lipstick. I'm just gonna shape it in the exact shape I want it. For our next step, what we want is we want to grab a black eyeliner, like any liner you have. You're just gonna draw one single line at the top of this, okay? Like you just want to move in a couple of inches, and then you just want to start, you will drag it all the way down to the end. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to do my second eye and pop on mascara, and I'll be right back. And here we go, we have our second look. This is a super fun way to make a graphic liner. So we actually created dual graphic here because we made a sharp line with the liquid lipstick, and then we took our liner and we did a sharp line. You can choose to have a very, very thin line, or you can choose to make it thinner at the middle of your eye and a little bit thicker at the outside. You can make it into like a square if you want to. You can make it in any shape you want. I have just chosen this shape because I think it looks super fun. So on to our next look. I'm just gonna wash this off and we'll be right back with our third look. So beautiful. For our next look, we're only using a liner. My hands are like seriously shaking today, so I'm gonna have issues with this, but you know what? Doesn't matter. We're gonna make this work and it's gonna be so darn pretty. You're gonna draw a line from here to here, and it's gonna be like straight. God, my hands are shaking so much. And there we go, we have a finished line. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use the same brush, and we're gonna shape like a little, like a Cleopatra eye, so really cat eye. We're just gonna pull a line straight upwards like this. And then we're gonna go from there and we're gonna shape like a triangle. I hope you can see what I'm doing. And there we go. We have a cat eye, we have a super cool eye. And I would probably wear some lashes for this, but if you're not comfortable with that, just pop on some mascara or go without. Be bold, just go without it. It can be just as pretty. So I'm just gonna do my other eye and we're gonna see how this looks turns out. I just made my other eye, and we have to be honest here, it is very hard to get them exactly symmetrical. You're never gonna do that because your eyes are not symmetrical, your face is not symmetrical. Everything is like different height, different sizes, different everything. So you just need to do the best you can and roll with it. I think this is super cool. Maybe I would wear this at night with some earrings, super cool, like maybe some lashes just to pump it up. But that pretty much is the finished looks. These are three simple ways to do a graphic liner, because believe me, there is a lot harder ways to do graphic liners out there if you have more time on your hands and if you're feeling a little bit more bold. But these are my three simples and my go-to if I want to do a graphic liner. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to do that now, and also let me know which one of these three looks that you're actually gonna try and maybe do yourself. I would love to know in the comments down below. But anyways, that's pretty much everything I have for today. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye!